Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to create high converting ads for Facebook. So in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the elements that you can look out for when you're creating a high converting ad for Facebook and how to get this done in a proper way. So this is an ad creative for one of my clients in a cleaning business, so specifically pressure washing business. So this ad is responsible for generating over 200 high qualified leads for my client and generating hundreds of dollars every single week for him as well. So I'll be showing you some of the things I consider when I'm creating high converting ads and what you can also learn and implement for your business as well. So over here you can see that I'm showing a before and after here. Now you may ask, Facebook has a policy against showing before and after in your ads, but it's possible you can show before and after if it does not affect the thing you are talking about or the person you are talking about. So I know that policy very well, and talking about this before and after here shows the transformation that has happened in the ad, and we are creating this ad specifically to target homeowners who want a pressure washing or who wants their driveway to be clean, who wants their rooftop to be clean and other stuff. So when you look at it, this is a before. This is how the house was before, and this is after cleaning. You can see the difference. So I even use the caption before and after here so that when you are a homeowner and you see this on Facebook, you actually have to stop scrolling and say and look at what actually I'm offering. And then I'm also positioning by mentioning the name of the offer. So this is a 30% off driveway cleaning. So this is a driveway, and this is the driveway cleaning we've done, and this is how it was before, dirty and very, very clean now. I am showing the transformation. So showing the transformation is an effective way to create an ad creative for Facebook ad, before and after. And it may work for your business depending on what you offer, either services or products. And sometimes it's very difficult to actually um, maneuver to create before and after, especially if you are in a skincare or beauty niche, but it's possible. So I'm putting a 30% off here as the offer. So we are giving them 30% off at a particular time of the year, and we are showing them that we have a 5-star rating, so which means that we are a professional service over here. So this is one of the ads. Let me show you other ones as well. So when you go below, you could see that this is rooftop cleaning. I'm showing the actual act of cleaning the rooftop. So you can see someone at the top here cleaning the roof. And it's actually showing you that as a homeowner, if you want your rooftop to be clean, this is what we do. So I'm demonstrating what you are looking for. Your rooftop is dirty, we clean it for you. And I've mentioned the offer in the creative, and I include again 30% off. So when you see it, you might want to go for that offer, and I'm putting the 5-star rating here again. Now, this is another one. It's also rooftop cleaning, but this one I have not used it. I've used the first one, which is the before and after. I've used this one as well, but this one did not work well for us because when you look at it, you could see that the person and the action the person is performing is not showing clearly. You can see the person performing a particular action, but you can see that the branches of this tree has covered the picture such that you cannot clearly see. It's not too visible, it's like visible for you to see what the person is doing, even though we write here rooftop cleaning at the bottom. But even though we tried this one, it didn't work, so we have to switch it off. So this one didn't work, so we had to switch it off. So we didn't use this one at the long run. We tested it for 3 to 4 days, and since it did not work, we allow it to go. Now the next one is driveway cleaning again. We are showing the transformation, before and after. Before it was dirty, now after it is clean, the same place now is very clean. We are offering the same 30% off. This is a transformation creative. Now over here, we are showing another one, rooftop. We used this one as well, rooftop cleaning. This is also another one, but without any offer. Okay, this one also worked for us very well. So you are seeing what the person is doing over here. And this one is a video, I guess so. Yes, this is a video. So this is a video of the person doing the job, right? This is a video of the person doing the job. So I may not play the video because it will take a long time to load because of the network here. So this is a video of the person doing the job, and we put the video and we put the caption of 30% off. So in the ad, you could see that the video is playing with a sound at the background so that the noise of the water spilling on the floor will not actually um, put people off. So we just reduce the noise and put a sound at the background, nice background music, so that it can actually make people feel good. So this is also another one that we used, showing driveway cleaning or floor cleaning. This is also another video showing floor cleaning. This is also another video showing floor cleaning. So let me play this video for you to see. So you can see the video of the person cleaning the floor actually here, and we are saying 30% off the driveway cleaning. Okay, so we are showing this and we are also showing the picture. So we have the video and we also have the picture. I think this is also a video. Yeah, this is also a video of the person doing the job. Yes, so we have about 3 videos. So what I used is I used 3 videos, and I think we also used 2 pictures, so 5 creative in total. We were testing 5 creative, and out of the 5, 3 was performing. 1 video was performing, and then 3 other creative, for one for the rooftop and another one for the driveway cleaning was performing very well. So we had to switch off the 2 creative we were using, and we focused on the 3 and we scale it so that we can get more leads through our system. So this is how I create high converting. Yeah, this is another video of the person cleaning the driveway. So this is another video. I think network is a bit slow. So all of them are videos. We have about 6 or 4 videos. Yeah, about 4 videos, and we have 4 pictures as well. And we've created a lot so that we can test them. Even if they are performing, we want to test more. Now, the essence of testing is to find new winning creative so that we can scale it. And when we find new winning creative, it will allow us to actually run more ads and see which one is improved and doing well, so that we can spend more money there and get a lot of results or a lot of sales or a lot of leads, whatever our target or goal is. So if you are creating something like this, you should make sure you have a video showing the person doing the job, right? And then you can have the name of your offer, and then if you have any thing like 30%, 14%, 20%, or whatever you want to do, fine. But it's not necessary for you to do 30% or discount off. You can do other things that are going to attract people aside using 30% off. I have also put the 5-star rating here to tell them we have excellent customer service and all those things. And I'm mentioning this thing, which means once they see it, they know what is going on here. The driveway cleaning. Okay, I'm looking for driveway cleaning for my home. Once you see, you click on the ad and fill the form, and then the pressure washing contractor can call you to book an estimate or to give you a quote, right? to give you a quote, and then once everything is agreed, he can drive to your house and work with you. So this is what I've been using for the past few months, and it's been working like crazy. We've generated over 200 leads with this creative, and it's still working, right? So this is just a sample or an example of ad creative that can work for your business if you are a service-based business. And if you are a product-based business, you just have to create something showing your product and the benefits of your product, or showing what your product can do for them, right? It can be a video showing how you are applying your product, or a testimonial of your product, or something else that can actually capture the people's attention. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.